Borsuk IFV in 2026, Poland's high-tech iron beast for the new battlefield. It may look like an IFV, but it fights like a tank hunter. In 2026, Poland's Borsuk Infantry Fighting Vehicle isn't just upgraded, it's transformed. This amphibious, modular war machine now packs cutting-edge weaponry, smarter protection systems, and enhanced digital warfare capabilities, making it one of the most advanced IFVs in Europe. What's new in the 2026 Borsuk upgrade? ZSSW-30 remote weapon station with 30mm Bushmaster Mk-44 cannon, coaxial 7.62mm machine gun, Spike-LR anti-tank guided missiles, fire and forget, active protection system APS, capable of intercepting incoming RPGs and ATGMs, AI-assisted target acquisition, detects and tracks enemy infantry, drones and vehicles, fully integrated battlefield network, connects with UAVs, tanks and HQs for real-time tactical awareness, hybrid electric drivetrain, enhances stealth and fuel efficiency while reducing thermal signature. Enhanced crew survivability, includes blast-absorbing seats, modular armor, and advanced CBRN protection. Unlike heavier vehicles, Borsuk is designed to move fast across swamps, rivers and rugged terrain. Its amphibious capability lets it cross water obstacles without preparation, giving it an edge in Eastern European geography. Whether it's rapid deployment, infantry transport, or urban assault, Borsuk adapts, fighting smarter, not heavier. In 2026, the Borsuk isn't just an IFV, it's a digitally networked combat system on tracks. While tanks dominate with firepower, the Borsuk dominates with speed, versatility, and connectivity. It represents Poland's answer to modern threats. Don't match the enemy's strength, outsmart it. This is the future of infantry warfare. Light, lethal, and impossible to ignore.